Hello everyone, welcome to our coordination chemistry session. Today's our configuration is NP1 configuration. In NP1 configuration, here N is a number of p orbital and p is equal p orbital is there, p orbital having one electron. So in NP1 configuration, the total capacity of p orbital to carry 6 electron. So capital N is equal to 6 and small n is equal to how many electrons are there or how many electrons are present in that p orbital is only one electron is there in case of NP1 configuration. So small n is equal to 1. Now number of microstate, so we can use this formula to calculate number of microstate like n factorial divided by small n factorial into bracket n minus small n factorial. So it is total electrons in p orbitals are 6. So p orbital can carry 6 electron. The capacity of that p orbital to carry 6 electron. So 6 factorial divided by how many electrons are there in that configuration. So only one electron is there. So that is 1 factorial into bracket 6 minus 1 factorial is equal to 6. So total number of microstates are 6. Now ml and ms. ml means its orbital quantum number and s means spin quantum number. Okay, so L is equal to L orbital quantum number decides the shapes of orbital. So ml, it is summation I, ml I is equal to ml1 is equal to 1. ml1 because there is only one electron, that's why it is ml1, and if orbital is p, then p is equal to 1. So ml1 is equal to only 1 and ms is equal to summation I, msi is equal to ms1. There is only one electron and that electron can electron having spin plus 1 by 2. Okay, but if that electron shows minus 1 by 2 spin, then the probability or the range is plus 1 by 2 to minus 1 by 2, and in case of p orbital the range is 1 to minus 1, that is 1, 0 and minus 1, and range of ms is equal to plus 1 to minus 1. Now here it is microstate table for NP1 configuration. So for microstate table, in microstate table we can write ml values vertically in a column and ms in horizontal rows. Okay, so there are there is a range of ms that is plus 1 by 2 to minus 1 by 2 and ml is 1, 0 and minus 1. Now here it is orbital. Now put that electron in that orbital. There is only one electron in p orbital. So put that one electron in that orbital which gives 1 ml value and plus 1 by 2 ms value. Okay. So in this case put that electron in first case. So this one is p orbital. Okay, it's not 2, it's 1. This is p orbital. This is plus 1, 0 and minus 1 shell. Okay, so in plus 1 shell, here you can put one electron in plus 1 shell. So it is shell number means orbital number. So orbital number is 1 and this electron gives positive spin, that's why spin number is plus 1 by 2. Okay, so we can put that electron like this in that p orbital. So that the shell number is 1, write down 1 and spin is plus. So spin, write down that spin above that 1. Okay, that spin is positive. So this is plus 1. Okay, now in this case put that electron in plus 1 shell, then you will get that ml value plus 1, but the spin of that electron is negative, that's why that spin is exactly opposite. It's minus 1 by 2 spin or opposite spin. So the sign of that spin, we can write the sign of that spin above that 1, and that is why it is 1 minus. Okay, so ml value is equal to 1 because this orbital is plus 1 orbital, that's why ml value is 1 and spin is minus 1 by 2, and we can write the sign of that spin, that is minus. So it is plus 1 and this one is minus 1. Now in the next case ml must be 0 and ms is plus 1 by 2. Okay, so how we will get ml is equal to 0? There are three orbitals. Okay, first one is this is plus 1 orbital, this one is 0 orbital and this one is this is plus 1 shell, this is 0 shell, and last one is a minus 1 shell. Now put that electron in 0 shell, then you will get 0 value. Ml value is 0 and ms value must be plus 1 by 2. So put that electron is put that electron electron must be have positive sign. Okay, then in this next case, put that electron in that 0 shell, then you will get ml is equal to 0, but spin must be negative. So put it up, so give the spin, put that electron according to negative spin. Okay, then in third case there is also minus 1 value. So here in this case 1 2 3 there are 3 subshells and third one is a negative shell, negative 1 shell. That's why I put that electron in this negative shell and having positive spin, this electron having positive spin. So ml value is negative 1, this shell is negative shell, and ms value is positive 1 because this electron shows positive spin. And in this case the ml value is also minus 1, but the spin is minus 1 by 2. That's why electron is inverted. The position of that electron is inverted, or it gives opposite spin, that is negative spin. Okay, so this one is a microstate table of NP1 configuration. Okay, now assign the terms. Okay, this first one is a ml value, this first one microstate, that is 1 plus. So 1 plus having ml value is 1. So if ml is equal to 1, then it must be according to this rule S, P, D, F, G. If ml is equal to 1, then term is P. Then write down here P. Okay, and if S is equal to 1 by 2, then we can use that spin-spin coupling. There is a formula for spin-spin coupling, that is 2s plus 1. Now 2s plus 1 is there. Now put that value 2s plus 1. S is equal to 1 by 2. In this case 1 by 2. S is equal to 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to doublet. Okay, so in this case you will get doublet P. So now put that value from top to bottom, doublet P, again doublet P for this microstate, and again doublet P for this microstate. Again doublet P for this one, doublet P for this one, and doublet P for this one. Okay, then you will get 1 2 3 4 5 6 microstates, and degeneracy or multiplicity of doublet P is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now let us calculate the multiplicity by using the formula. So total multiplicity of 2p, you will get 2p term with this microstate table. Okay, now here it is formula to calculate total multiplicity of 2p, that is 2p is equal to 2l plus 1 into 2s plus 1. Okay, so 2l plus 1 is L is equal to p orbital, that orbital is a p. So L is equal to p orbital, and that p orbital is equal to, if orbital is p, then ml is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1, L, the value of L is equal to 1, that's why it is 2 into 1 plus 1, and 2s plus 1, that is that s is equal to 1 by 2. That we already have already used that formula, that is 2s plus 1, and that 2s plus 1 is equal to doublet. Okay, so because formula is 2s plus 1 and s, the value of s is equal to 1 by 2, so 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 2. That's why put that value into that bracket, that is 2. So 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 is equal to 6. So total multiplicity of 2p is equal to 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total multiplicity is correct. Now go for J value. What is J value? J means special type of coupling, that is spin orbital coupling. This J means spin orbital coupling. Now there is a formula to calculate spin orbital coupling. J for 2p this 2p term, for 2p term, J value is L plus S or and L minus S. Either it is L plus S or L minus S. When orbital is more than half filled, orbital is more than half filled, then value must be L plus S, and orbital is less than half filled, then value is L minus S. Now in this case, L plus S, L is equal to p orbital is there, so L is equal to p and p is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 electron is there which gives plus 1 by 2 spin, and L minus S. So L is equal to 1. In this case, here L is equal to 1 and S1 is equal to 1 by 2. So L is equal to 1 and S is equal to 1 by 2, and L is equal to 1 and minus S is equal to minus 1 by 2. So you will get two values like 3 by 2 to 1 by 2. Okay. Now splitting, when in this case, when orbital is more than half filled, the J number or J value is 3 by 2, and when orbital is less than half filled, the J value is 1 by 2. Okay. Then splitting of NP1 configuration. Here last point is the splitting of configuration. Now in case of NP1 configuration, that NP1 term, NP1 configuration split into two terms. There are 2p and 2p. We get 2p terms, and the J value is triplet 2 to singlet, J value is 3 by 2 to 1 by 2. Okay, so it is doublet p having J value 3 by 2 to doublet p is J value 1 by 2. Okay, because here is J value 3 by 2 to 1 by 2 is its range. When it is less than half filled, then it is 1 by 2, and when orbital is more than half filled, that J value must be 3 by 2. So here is the splitting pattern of NP1 configuration. Okay, it is doublet P 3 by 2 to doublet P 1 by 2. Okay, thank you.